Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can share zip files on OneDrive. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my desktop on my computer and this is how the homepage looks like. So basically guys, the first thing that you need to do is open the File Explorer. If you don't find it right here, just go to the Start menu and then search for File Explorer. And once you find it, go ahead and click on Open. Then you're going to be right here in this window. So basically guys, once you're here, as you can see guys in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the Home section, Gallery, and right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find OneDrive. So go ahead and right click on OneDrive and then you're going to find right here all of these options. Here you're going to find the option to copy it, expand it, open a new tab, open a new window, and so on. And here, as you can see guys, you're going to find these three options. Always keep on this device, free up space, and lastly OneDrive. So go ahead and click on OneDrive and then right here you're going to find these three options. View online, settings, and lastly the folder color. So basically guys, right now, go ahead and click on view online and then you're gonna be here in this page on the web. So basically guys, once you're here in the left, you're gonna find all of these sections. Right here, you're gonna find my files, recent, photos, shared, and lastly the recycle bin. And right now, if you want to share zip files to OneDrive or any files or folder, all you need to do, guys, is go here to the right. Here in the top, you're going to find Add New. Go ahead and click on it. And then right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of these options. Here, you're going to find the option to add a new folder, files upload, folder upload, and so on. So basically, guys, just click on File Upload and then just go to the file you want to upload. For example, this one. It's a zip file. Go ahead and click on open and then you're going to be able to upload this. As you can see guys right here, now the file is uploading. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.